Hey everyone, it's Shannon, and today I'm doing a set of ballet nails that I've been really excited to do for a while. Just a reminder, this is not a tutorial. I am not a pro nail anything. I'm a DIYer who does her nails at home and films them because it's fun. This is genuinely just a way that I do like creative stress release is kind of what I call my nail art. For me, it's creative stress creative stress relief is what it is for me. So I hope this video is inspirational, but it is not a tutorial. This is inspo. Let's just dive right in. So I'm currently just putting my base layer on. I just did a nude polish. I got almost everything in this video either from Shein or from Amazon. If you see anything in the video that you want a link to, let me know in the comments. I just genuinely don't know if anyone's interested or cares about these products. So it's just a lot of work to round up all the links if no one actually cares. But if there is a product that you want the link for or anything like that, just let me know in the comments and I'll happily add it to the description. These polishes are the Guibofu polishes. They're also tend to be really thick and really pigmented. So I've been confidently buying that brand off of Shein for basically since I started doing my nails a couple of months ago. So I did make a comment here. I should have matte coated the base before adding the pink. I just forgot. Hence why this is not a tutorial. I do add the matte top coat afterwards and then re-top coat it on the pink, but we'll get into that in a minute. But I should have done it here. I should have done that. It would have been way easier and way faster if I had just matte top coated before I added the pink. So then I'm doing a French tip to all but the center nail, and that's because the center nail I have a different plan for. I do 2 French tips, and then I turn 2 of the French tips into ballet shoes, and then the middle nail I'm doing like a ballet corset bodice, if you will. It just looks really pretty, you'll see. And this is also how I do French tips. I learned how to do French tips from my nail tech when I used to get my nails done professionally. She just kind of did like, at least I think it was her, maybe I saw it in a video. I think it was her, not sure. Either way, the easiest way I have found to do a French tip is to basically do an X and then like join them in like a bit of a crescent. And I just feel that gives a lot of room to correct errors and to make things just kind of, I don't know. I just find doing my French tip that way really easy and forgiving. So that's the way I do it, and it's fast. Now you can see I'm going in to do the bodice part. This, I do 2 straight lines, fill them in. I don't know why I kind of paused before doing the like crosses in the center, but I do. So I really love like this delicate ballet nail trend. It's super cute, and I just think it's perfect for February. Like it's romantic without being like hearts. But that being said, I'm curious as to what kind of trends my subscribers are into. Like, so what are you into? Like, what kind of trends do you want to see in videos for March and April? What do you want? What kind of products, what kind of colors do you want to see people like me trying out? Because I would, as much as I love doing trends that I'm interested in, I would absolutely love to try out trends that you're interested in. I'd love to know what you're interested in. What kind of nails are you thinking of for spring? Because I am currently planning my March and April nails. So let me know what it is you want to see, so I'm not just filming my own interests. The other thing that I'm curious about, are you also DIYers? Are you doing your own nails, or are you interested in doing your own nails, or do you just watch nail videos for fun? Because like I did that for years. I watched nail videos constantly, like long hair, pretty nails, and C's tutorials and stuff like that for like years before I actually started doing my own nails for fun. So I'm just curious, if you're watching this video, where are you in that kind of interest? Like, are you a DIYer? Do you just like to watch? Is it something you'd like to do in the future? Like, where are you in kind of the nail world? I'm assuming no pros are watching this because why would you? But if you are a pro, also curious to hear about that too. So now I'm doing the bodice bit. This set of nails I do think is extremely beginner friendly. So if you have been wanting to do ballet nails but were a little bit intimidated, know that this is actually extremely easy. Like the hardest part is the French tip. Other than that, it's just a bunch of lines really. This is me now realizing that I have to add on the top coat. So now I'm adding my no white top coat to all the pink spaces before I chrome. This is so that the chrome has something to stick to. So I'm just speeding it up here and trying to go nice and quick. But like, as you can see, this would have been so much easier and faster if I had just matted the base first and then just done the pink, because it would have just stuck to the pink. Then I go in with the chrome. I'm using a white chrome, iridescent chrome. And because I have the Russian matte coat, I was able to go in and know that most of it was gonna come off quite easily on the matte part. So I chromed the whole thing. It just looks so pretty. Like, look how much that brings out the ballet shoe. Like, it just makes it look so ballerina. Because you could technically do these nails without the chrome and it would still look really pretty. But I think personally the chrome just brings a little something something. I also am using like a soft makeup brush here to remove the extra chrome. In all honesty, what actually would have worked better is like a nail brush. Worked much better, this nail brush, if I had used this to help remove the chrome. And then the little bit on my thumbnail where the chrome didn't come off too easily, I used a sponge and just dipped it in a little bit of alcohol and quickly just wiped it out and it came off so easily. I did my no wipe top coat first. And then I'm going, oh no, I do my pearls, but I also add the bows. I forgot about that. Adding the bows comes next. So that's the other thing too that I learned a while back from another video that I did. You can just put, you could just put your sticker on the nail as it was. I was finding when I was doing that my stickers were lifting or crinkling or weren't laying flat. And I can't remember who said it, but a subscriber said it in a comment that if I did a no wipe top coat, the stickers would go on super flat, super easily, and wouldn't wrinkle or lift at all. And they were very correct. So now I always do a layer of no wipe top coat before adding my stickers, and they just go on perfectly, just perfectly, as you can see here. So I'm also using a, what do you call these? Rubber tools. Can't remember. Either way, one of these, a silicone tool, to apply the sticker. You don't need to. I only did this because otherwise you see my fingerprints in the nail. So if you use a silicone tool, it prevents there from being a fingerprint on your nail. Not that that's overly important, but still. And then once I've added the stickers, I added another layer of the no white top coat because next I am adding a few little pearl details to these ballerina nails just to really round out the look. These, again, everything you're seeing here came from Shein, including those pearls, and they are wonderful. So I just added a little pearl to the center of the bows, and then I add a little pearl to each little piece of the bodice. And I'm just using some rhinestone glue, as you saw, and my nail brush. Again, even the brushes, everything came from Shein. Shein. I call it Shein. I know some people say Shein. I don't don't care though. I'm gonna say what I wanna say. Look how cute those little pearls are. They really just bring the look together, and they also make the nails look like they're fancier or that more work went into them than they actually did. And that's again what I mean by these are really nice beginner nails. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.